In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a line of credit in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have a clean liability account ready to track your draws and repayments accurately. Start in QuickBooks Online and open the settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the upper right. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the master list that organizes everything your books track: assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. So setting up your line of credit here ensures it shows up correctly on your balance sheet. Next, add a new account. Look for the New or New Account button near the top of the Chart of Accounts page and select it. In the setup panel that appears, you'll enter details for the line of credit. For the account name, type something clear and specific, like line of credit. If you have more than one, include the financial institution's name to keep them distinct later. You can add a short description if you like, but it's optional. Now choose the account type. Select long-term liabilities. A line of credit is a form of debt you owe back over time, and placing it under long-term liabilities keeps it separate from day-to-day operating accounts and credit cards. This also helps your reports present the balance appropriately as something you owe. If you're setting this up mid-year or you already have an outstanding balance, enter the unpaid balance. This amount should reflect what you currently owe on the line of credit at the moment you're establishing the account in QuickBooks. If you're just creating the account before any borrowing has happened, you can leave the balance at 0. Directly below, choose the A's of date that matches that unpaid balance. Pick the date that the amount is accurate for, often the start of the month, the start of your fiscal year, or the date on your most recent statement. This ensures your opening balance aligns with your records and makes reconciliation smoother later. Once everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks will create the account, and you'll now see your line of credit listed among your liabilities in the Chart of Accounts. From here, you're ready to use it. When you draw funds, you'll increase this liability and move the cash into the bank account you actually spend from. When you make payments, post them against this liability to bring the balance down. Keep interest separate by categorizing it to an interest expense, which keeps your principal and interest cleanly divided on reports. That's it. Your line of credit is now properly set up in QuickBooks.